All right, this one's a little different. What if I told you you could approve EAM requests right from your wrist? No laptop, no phone, just your smartwatch and some serious backend magic. In this example, we'll look at how you can handle requisition approvals directly from the watch. Because why not make your EAM a bit more hands-on? Now, I didn't want to steal the spotlight from the watch, so I went ahead and prepared a requisition in EAM already. Just a simple one part, nothing too fancy. And the moment I set it to awaiting release, boom, it shows up right on the watch. No refresh, no reload, just wrist-powered requisition control. Let's wake up the watch and launch the app. As soon as it opens, it starts pulling the latest data straight from EAM, using a web service in the background. No need to sync with a phone, no waiting around. It just talks to the server like a pro. And there they are, all pending requisitions, ready to go. Let's try one out. I'll tap on a requisition from the list, and the app instantly pulls all the details, everything you need to make a decision. Let's be nice today and go with approve. One tap, and it's done. Let's do the full picture. I'll copy that requisition real quick in EAM. Same part, same setup, just a fresh one to play with. And yep, as soon as it hits awaiting release, it shows up on the watch. This time, let's go with reject. The app asks for a reason, because hey, we're not rejecting blindly here. Let's type something polite, like invalid request. Let's wake up the watch again. Just to be sure, I'll close the app and open it again. And look at that. There it is, right on the list. The new requisition, still waiting for action. Before we send the rejection, the app gives us a list of common reasons to choose from. So instead of typing everything out on a tiny screen, we just pick the one that fits. Fast, simple, and way more user-friendly, especially when you're on the move. It's not just a proof of concept. It's fully connected, fully usable, and ready to support real processes, right on your wrist. Your EAM, now wearable. Approvals on the go, straight from your wrist. And if you're thinking, I want that too, you're in luck. We build this. We know EAM inside out. So if you want to bring your workflows to life, talk to us. We're the experts.